Hi, my name is Star and today I'm going to show you step by step how to make a spell for money and abundance. So for the spell, what you're going to need is a candle, salt. This is what I've got, so I'm going to have to grind it down into a fine powder, but fine salt, any kind of fine salt, basil, mint, cinnamon and jasmine essential oil. So as always, I'm just going to start by cleaning my space and just giving myself a nice big space in the centre to work with. And then using some white sage, I am just going to cleanse my entire space as well as all of the tools that I'm going to use for the spell. And then on some foil, I'm just going to start placing down my herbs. And for this spell, we're using mint for wealth and abundance, basil for wealth and attracting money, cinnamon for success, abundance and prosperity, and salt for protection purposes. And then we're going to take the jasmine essential oil, mine is already diluted, and we're going to anoint the candle with it. And you want it to be completely covered until it looks shiny like mine, and then we're going to roll it in the herbs that we just put on the foil. You can also use a plate for this, but my candle was too big. And here's the finished candle. I've just put it in a candle holder, and what I'm going to do, I have lots of leftover coins, so I'm going to place those all around my candle. You may also want to put other things around the candles, so this could be things like cinnamon sticks, as well as anything that you consider to be valuable. And that's the last step, and you can just light your candle. As always, this is just a simple money and abundance spell, but you don't have to do it the same way that I do. You can always sub out ingredients or change things a little bit. That doesn't mean that the spell's not going to be effective. I am also going to burn a bay leaf, just because that's something I want to do at the moment. Some of you might already know I'm trying to start my own business and it's very difficult, but this is why I'm doing this spell and why I'm showing you. But I'm gonna burn a bay leaf. These are great for manifestation purposes and just manifest the money and successfulness of business. So now I'm just going to let the candle burn down, and whilst that's happening, I'm just going to manifest this happening. I'll do this by burning the bay leaf, as well as positive affirmations and visualization until I feel kind of confident about it. If you're like me and you're doing your own business or something like that, you could also let it burn down whilst you are doing the business activities around the candle. And if you do have any ideas on videos that you'd like me to make, just let me know in the comments. As always, I am pretty much happy to make videos on anything. And speaking of my business, my Etsy will be up in the next week. I have started making spell kits, spell jars and lots of resin items. So I'm gonna soon link that in the description and you'll be able to buy from there if that's anything that you're interested in. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.